Today's question is about microwave. What is a microwave?
A microwave is where, or I can call it natural disaster. It is a natural disaster. Yeah. For example, here in Uganda, we have experienced a microwave in Bududa. Am I right?
Yes, Bududa, yes.
Yeah. That is microwave.
A microwave is a microphone to use when you speak on the very many people. Yes.
A microwave is a microphone.
Yes.
Have you ever used a microwave?
Yes.
When?
In the church. When I sing in the church, when I talk to people in the church, I use the microphone or microwave.
What is a microwave?
A microwave, these are the situation we face.
Yes.
Situation is we face, no longer they are bad, no longer they are good. In our countries,
yes,
like in Uganda.
How many microwaves do you have in total? How many?
I cannot account myself in particular.
Yes.
Otherwise,
show me all your microwaves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
More 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, more 5, 10.
That's enough.
That's enough. Give me 3 examples of microwaves that you know.
One I can say virus.
Virus. Why? Why?
You cannot see, you cannot observe by your eyes.
So
physical
a virus
eyes.
is a microwave.
Definitely. Others I don't know. I may not lie to you.
Have you ever seen a microwave anywhere?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How was it?
A microwave. For sure, if you see microwave, it makes you fear.
It makes you fear. Why?
Because I have seen that tsunami.
Tsunami.
But its effect, it caused the soil erosion. It distracted the properties. And even I think people lost their lives in that tsunami.
What are some of the microwaves do we have in Uganda?
Uganda, first of all, we are lacking food.
Yes.
That's the first thing. Secondly, water. Thirdly, recently we had these people of Chitata, we borders, the 2010 people.
Border 2010.
Even that was a wave.
Yes.
So far now it went away. Fourth, you can find problems, you can accidents. Accidents.
Who is responsible for microwaves in Uganda?
So the president.
Again, president, why?
The president.
Why?
The president is the one who is responsible for all microwaves in Uganda.
Why?
Because he's the leader, the first leader.
So give me at least 3 countries that have had microwaves.
Japan, America, Singapore.
Pardon?
Japan, America, Singapore. Yeah.
Why is it that those are the only countries with microwaves?
With microwave?
Why?
Or maybe they have access to big seas.
When you turn on a microwave, what sound does it make?
They make
Why?
but in turn switch and they start to
Yes. What do we put in a microwave?
In a microwave, we can plant trees, building trenches.
Yes.
That is what I can say.